So those are aspects of love that we've covered. Now I want to talk about the Christ consciousness, because it's actually more than each of us would understand, and we would not natively understand. It would need to be explained to us. The Christ consciousness itself is a living field. It is more alive than each of us. It is something to aim for, something to come into alignment with. But it's helpful if we understand what the aspects of the Christ consciousness are, because there are three of them. And this is not necessarily taught in Scripture. In sacred writings, it's will be alluded to and pointed to, as indeed I'm pointing to this now. It does not mean that you actually feel what I'm talking about. You may think that you know about compassion. You may think that you understand the Christ consciousness, but it's really quite different. So the first aspect of the Christ consciousness is the compassionate heart. Why the heart? Because that's where we interface with the universe. That is where we live. That is who we truly are. That is the point of our understanding. We do not really understand in the brain, as we do not understand in the emotional field. We understand directly in our feelings. So the first aspect is to come into alignment and a desire, a deep desire, to experience a compassionate heart. We are the ones who determine that. When we have aligned and begin to unfold in the compassionate heart space and understand compassion itself, the second aspect is that we come into the desire to be the best that we can be in every moment, which of course means looking into our stuff. Where are the unfinished ends? What do I need to do to come into completion, into wholeness? And then thirdly, once those two aspects are in alignment with each other, and we're now committed to compassion and being the best we can be, we then enter the ability to render real service. And this is what I was talking about when I said, if you come to wholeness, if you come to self-understanding, if you come to self-love, compassion, mercy, kindness, all of these aspects, then you are set to be of use, to be of value, first of all to yourself, but natively to all around you, so that if you did want to save the whales, you would save the whales.